Team, welcome back to another full body HIIT workout. I hope you're ready to sweat. But don't worry, you don't have to jump for each exercise. I'm bringing you a low impact version so you can train in your individual fitness level. You don't need any equipment, just make sure you have a little bit of space around you, something soft underneath. Don't forget to do a warm up first. And when you're ready, let's start the timer, let's start to move. Okay, the first exercise is in the lunge position. I'm showing you a low impact version first. So you have 4 taps, followed by 2 extensions up. Ready? Let's go. We have 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift up, down. If you want more, let's jump double time. 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. If you want even more, add 2 jumps. And 4, 3, 2. Don't forget to breathe. Breathe in through the nose and out through pursed lips. Keep going in your variation. Don't lose the energy. Come on. Up, up. 4, 3, 2. Use your arms, they're helping you. Five more seconds to go. And relax. Shake it out. We're gonna go for the same exercise, but to the other side. When you decide to jump, land quietly and without any noise. Here we go. This is level 1. Now, if you want more, speed it up and add the jumps. Hop, hop. Shoulders low. Stay strong, come on. Make yourself out of breath. Increase the heart rate. Boost your fat metabolism. Hop. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, good. Next exercise, we're gonna go for 2 knee lifts. And we're gonna come up, down, push your knees to the side, stay upright. So you have the possibility to work slowly, up, down, or speed it up. Good. You have the possibility to add a jump. Here we go. Jumping jack. Knee, knee. Good. Press your little toe into the floor and tuck your tailbone under. Find the length in the lumbar spine. Deepen the position. Bend your legs even more with each repetition. 2, 1. Rest. We're gonna switch, of course, to the other side. So make sure when you come back to center to keep your shoulders above your hips, to tuck your tailbone under. Ready? In your speed. Double time, like I do, or half time. Knee up, knee up. When you go for the knee lift, add the rotation. It's a full body workout. Twist through the spine. Add some work for the obliques. 20 more seconds, come on. Keep pushing. Make yourself out of breath. Train your cardiovascular system. Woo! Keep working to the beat. And rest. Amazing team. Meet me for a side to side from right to left. You have, again, some options. Option 1, just lift the leg. Think more length and height. Work parallel. If you want more, you have the possibility to jump. When you jump, land quietly. Use your muscle power. Protect your joints. Use your arms here, swing out and in. They help you to find your balance. Breathe in, breathe out. Fly high. Or come back into the low impact version. That's fine. Listen to you and your body. Good, come on. And rest. Of course, we're gonna go to the other side. Keep moving in the break. Now again, 2 levels. Level 1, come on. Here we go, here we start. 50 seconds on. If you want more, add a jump. Try to point your feet in the air. Try to lengthen your legs even more. Ha. Fly high. Good. Proud chest. Strong upper body, strong posture, like a ballerina. Ten more seconds. Keep going together. We can do this. Stick to it in your level. And rest. We're gonna continue with the side to side, but this time we're gonna tap forwards, backwards. Again, different options. So add a knee lift with the front leg. When you got that, add a back leg lift. Lift the leg with the power of your glutes, not with your back. And then you have the possibility to jump. Let's go. We don't want to arch the lower spine. Stay controlled here. Keep the work in your abdominal muscles. Lift the abdominals in. Come on. You can do this. Come on, knee high. Long leg. 3, 2, 1, relax. Amazing. We're gonna switch to the other side. So switch your feet. Start tapping forwards and backwards. And when you're ready, here we go. 50 seconds on, add the knee lift. Option number 2, back leg lift. When you feel comfortable, then add a jump. If you feel any tension in your lower back, skip the jump. If you feel any pain in your knees, don't move through it. Skip the jump and work with control. Ha. Ha. But keep moving. Knee high, come on, up. Strong legs, strong core. Three, 2, 1, relax. Next, we're gonna step into a squat and add a curtsy lunge. So you have the possibility to step or you jump. Here we go. Huh? Step or jump, curtsy. Good. I show you the step again. Step, step, curtsy. Cross the standing leg to activate your inner thighs. Keep going in your level. Woo. Jump or not. Stick to your modification. Make sure to keep your weight in your heels in the squat. To keep your spine long. To cross your standing leg. Shoulders low. Good. Step forwards and backwards or jump. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Instead of the squat, we're gonna go down into the plank. Shoulders, hips, and heels in one line. Step or jump forward, and we add a curtsy lunge. Here we go. Step and curtsy. So step and a curtsy. Maybe you want to jump. A strong plank. Think about the perfect alignment. Don't sag. Spread your fingers. Strong foundation. Don't collapse towards the floor. Keep pressing out of your shoulder blades, okay? Shoulders are moving away from the ears. Don't sag. Make yourself as firm as a board. Up. 10 more seconds to go. Woo! Last one. Now stay low. We're gonna meet in the plank position. We're gonna bend and stretch the legs 4 times, and we add a knee pull in. Work slowly or double time. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1, knee in. And switch. 4, 3, 2, 1, knee in. Slow it down if it's too fast. Knee in and back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep your shoulders above your wrists. And keep breathing. Elbows slightly bent. Come on, work with the music. Work with the beat. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the knee in. You're almost there. Fight your way through this exercise. And last one, rest. Now come down onto your forearms. You have 2 options. Option 1, step out and in for 4. Option 2, step out for 4, jump in for 2. Ready? So you have 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it in for 4. Out, 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 and in, in, in. If you want more, jump for 2 and 1. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, jump in, 1 and 2. Keep your shoulders above your elbows. Your gaze is going down to the mat. Keep the neck and 1 extension to the rest of the spine. Draw the navel in and up. Good work. Up. Come on, you're stronger than you think. Don't skip for the last seconds. And rest. Ooh, meet me in the side plank on your forearms. Bend your legs, heels, hips, and shoulders in one line. You have different modifications. So we start level 1. Start with me right now. 50 seconds are running. Level 2. So knee out and in. Make sure your elbow is directly located under your shoulder. Level 3. Kick it out. Again, listen to your body and adapt up. It's a short but intense workout. After this workout, you train the whole body. Keep pushing. Enjoy the burn in your lateral muscles, waist, abdominal muscles, shoulders. Ooh, make sure this is not happening. Elbow under your shoulder. 3, 2, 1, relax, and we're gonna switch to the other side. Amazing team. Don't collapse. Lift the underside of your waist, and we're gonna start together in level 1. Just lifting and lowering the hip. Level 2, open. So just lift the knee, open up your hip. Good. Now, level 3, kick. Come on. The song tells you push it. I tell you push it. You tell yourself push it. You're a survivor. You're strong. You can do this. Come on. Kick it out. Last 10 seconds. Only 1 more exercise left. Then you're done. And rest. Last exercise, we're gonna go for 4 bicycles, and then we're gonna bring the knees in, and we meet in a starfish position. Ready? Last exercise. 4, 3, 2. Bring the knees in, starfish. Keep your lower back touching the floor. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Bring the knees in. Good. Bring the knees in. Collect some energy. Bicycles. 4, 3, 2. Make sure not to arch. Lower back is still grounded. If your neck hurts, rest the head on the floor. Bring it in. Bring it out. Bring it in. Come on. Only lower your legs as low as you can. Keep the tension in your abdominal muscles. So if it's too much, just lift the legs a little bit higher. And knee out, knee out. The last 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Rest the feet on the floor. Drop the head and the arms. Take a deep breath. Enjoy the moment after the workout. Yes, you're done. Amazing work. Thank you so much for working out with me. I really enjoyed it. I hope you too. If you didn't know it yet, we also have some live streams via Zoom. I hope to get to know you there. Let's chat, let's work out together. I can give you real-time feedback there if you want to, so don't miss it. You can find the link over here or continue with one of my free YouTube workouts over here. Hope to see you there.